Welcome dear students to Standard 9th Algebra Chapter 3 Polynomials Part 4. Here we are going to learn about synthetic method of division, which is an easy method of division of polynomials. Now, a brief description about synthetic method. It is a shortcut method of polynomial division where the divisor is a linear binomial, that is of the form x minus c. It is usually used to find factors of a given polynomial. Synthetic method of division was discovered by an Italian mathematician Paolo Ruffini. Now we will see an example how to solve the synthetic method. Suppose Px is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 5x square minus 4x is to be divided by x plus 3. Here the coefficient form of Px we have to write with index x raised to power 4 plus 0x raised to power 3 minus 5x raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 0. The coefficient form is 1, 0, minus 5, minus 4 and 0. The divisor is x plus 3. Now we have to write the opposite of plus 3, that is minus 3, which will be written outside the given line. Now we have to form two lines, one horizontal and one vertical, where inside we have to write the coefficients of the dividend and outside the divisor, which is x plus 3, opposite of x plus 3, that is minus 3, we have to write. Now in the second row we will be writing the answers, and in the third row we will be writing the multiples. Now after writing the coefficients of the dividend in the first row and negative of 3 as of the divisor, we have to write the coefficient of the first number in the third row, multiply with minus 3 with 1 and write the answer in the second row below the second coefficient, that is minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3. Adding up with 0 and minus 3, we get minus 3. Now multiply minus 3 and minus 3, we get plus 9. Adding up minus 5 and plus 9, we get plus 4. Multiplying minus 3 and plus 4, the right answer will be written in below minus 4 as minus 12. Adding minus 4 and minus 12, we get minus 16. Then multiplying minus 3 and minus 16, we get plus 48. Adding 0 and plus 48, we get plus 48, which is the remainder of this synthetic method of division. The previous numbers will be the coefficient of the quotient which we are getting after dividing the polynomial by the divisor. Now, how to write the quotient and remainder of synthetic method of division? The numbers in the third row make up the coefficient form of the quotient. The degree of quotient will be 1 less than the degree of dividend. The last number forms the remainder. we have here as plus 1, minus 3, plus 4, minus 16 and plus 48 in the last row. Therefore, plus 48 will be the remainder and coefficient form of quotient will be the previous numbers, that is 1, minus 3, plus 4 and minus 16. Therefore, our quotient will be 1x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 16. We will be solving the example by synthetic method of division. The dividend is 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Here the divisor is x plus 2. Therefore, the opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. And now the coefficient form of dividend is 3, 2, 0 and 1. We have taken 0 for the power x raised to power 1. Now we have to make two lines, that is one vertical and one horizontal. In the first row, we have to write the coefficient form of the dividend inside, and outside the line we have to write the opposite of the divisor, that is minus 2. We will be writing the first coefficient as it is in the third row, that is 3. Now multiply minus 2 and 3. Write the answer in the second row beneath the next number, that is minus 6. Adding up 2 and minus 6, we get minus 4. Now we have to multiply minus 2 and minus 4. The answer is plus 8, which will be written below 0, the next number. Adding up 0 and plus 8, we get plus 8. Multiplying minus 2 and plus 8, we get minus 16, which will be written below minus 1. Adding minus 1 and minus 16, we get minus 17. And that will be the remainder of the number dividend 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 divided by x plus 2. The previous numbers will be the coefficient form of the quotient. Therefore, the coefficient form of quotient is 3, minus 4 and plus 8. Remainder is minus 17. Quotient will be is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 8. Here the power of quotient or degree of the quotient will be x raised to power 2, which is 1 less than the dividend. Now we will be doing practice set 3.3. First question, 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Coefficient form of dividend is 2 minus 3, 10. Divisor is m minus 5. Therefore, opposite of minus 5 is equal to plus 5. We will be making the vertical line and horizontal line. In the first row, we are writing the coefficient form of dividend as 2, minus 3 and 10 inside the line, and outside we will be writing the opposite of the divisor, that is plus 5. We will write 2 as it is in the third row. Multiplying plus 5 and 2, we get plus 10. Now adding minus 3 with plus 10, we are getting plus 7. Multiplying plus 5 and plus 7, we are getting plus 35. Adding 10 and plus 35, we are getting plus 45, which is the remainder. The last term will be always the remainder. Now the previous two terms, that will be the coefficient form of the quotient. So remainder is 45. coefficient form of quotient is 2 and 7. Therefore, the quotient will be 2x plus 7. Now we will be doing third question, y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. Index form of the dividend will be 1y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 216. Therefore, the coefficient will be 1, 0, 0, minus 216, which will be written in the first row, and divisor is y minus 6. The opposite of minus 6 will be plus 6, which will be written outside the line. Now, we have to write the first coefficient as it is in the third row. Multiply 6 and 1 and write in the second row beneath the next term, that is plus 6. Adding up 0 and plus 6, we are getting plus 6. Multiplying with the divisor, that is 6 into 6, we get plus 36. Adding 0 with plus 36, we get plus 36. Multiplying 6 and plus 36, we are getting plus 216. Adding minus 216 and plus 216, we are getting 0, which will be the remainder. Therefore, y minus 6 is the factor of this dividend y cube minus 216. Now, the coefficient form of the quotients are 1, 6 and plus 36. Remainder is 0. The quotient will be 1y cube plus 6y plus 36. Question number 5. X raised to power 4 minus 3x square minus 8 divided by x plus 4. Now, the index form is x raised to power 4 plus 0x raised to power 3 minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8. The coefficient form is 1, 0, minus 3, 0 and minus 8. Here the divisor is plus 4, x plus 4. Therefore, opposite of plus 4 is minus 4, which will be written outside the vertical line, and the coefficient form of the dividend will be written inside the line. Now, as the rule, we will write 1 in the third row. Multiplying with minus 4 and 1, we get minus 4, which will be written in the below the next number 0. 0 and minus 4 added up, we will get minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, we get plus 16. Minus 3 and plus 16, we get plus 13. Minus 4 and plus 13 multiplied, we get minus 52. Adding up 0 and minus 52, we get minus 52. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 52, we get 208. Adding minus 8 and plus 208, we get plus 200, which is the last term and the remainder of this question. The remainder is 200. Coefficient of the quotient is 1 minus 4 plus 13 minus 52. Therefore, the quotient will be 1x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52. Now, we will be solving the same questions with a different method of division, that is linear method of division. The first question, we will be writing 2x square plus 2 divided by x plus 2, and we have to write the quotient and remainder after dividing by linear method. Here the dividend is 2x square plus 2 and divisor is x plus 2. We have to divide the first term 2x square by the first term of the divisor x. We get the quotient as 2x. After that we will multiply with the quotient 2x with the divisor x plus 2. So we get 2x multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to 2x square plus 4x. Now we don't have this 4x in the dividend, so we will add and subtract this 4x with the given dividend. So we get the dividend as 2x square plus 4x minus 4x plus 2. That we will take it as equation number 1. Now, taking 2x square plus 4x, we will write it as 2x multiplied by x plus 2, and the remaining terms as it is minus 4x plus 2. Now, next term is minus 4x. We will divide this minus 4x with the first term of the divisor, that is x. So we will get the quotient as minus 4. We will multiply this minus 4 with the divisor x plus 2. So we get it as minus 4x minus 8. Now we don't have this minus 8 with the dividend. So we will add and subtract minus 8 with equation number 1. So we are getting here 2x multiplied by x plus 2 minus 4x minus 8 plus 8 plus 2. So when we calculate, we get 2x multiplied by x plus 2. Here in the second and third term we are taking 4 outside, and inside the bracket x plus 2 plus solving plus 8 and plus 2 we are getting plus 10. Now taking x plus 2 common with the first and second term, we are getting inside the bracket as 2x minus 4 plus 10. Therefore, the quotient will be 2x minus 4, which is written with the divisor, and the last number what is remaining will be the remainder of this polynomial with the divisor. Now we will be doing practice at 3.3. The first question by linear method, 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Here the dividend is 2m square minus 3m plus 10 and divisor is m minus 5. We will divide the first term 2m square by the first term of the divisor m. So we will get the answer as 2m. Now after that we will multiply with the quotient 2m with the divisor m minus 5. So we are getting 2m square minus 10m. Now this minus 10m is not in the dividend. So we will add plus 10m with the dividend. So our dividend becomes 2m multiplied by m minus 5. Here minus 10m is already there. We have added plus 10m. Then the remaining terms of the dividend, that is minus 3m plus 10. After solving, we get 2m multiplied by m minus 5. This plus 10m and minus 3m we will get as 7m plus the last term 10. Now the next term is 7m. Dividing 7m with the first term of the divisor, that is m, we will get the quotient as 7. Now we will multiply 7 with the divisor m minus 5. So we get it as 7m minus 35. Now minus 35 is not in the dividend. So we add plus 35 with the dividend. So our dividend becomes 2m in multiplied by m minus 5 plus 7 multiplied by m minus 5 plus 35 plus 10. So what we are getting? After solving, we are getting m minus 5 multiplied by 2m plus 7 plus 35 plus 10 we will get as 45. Therefore, the quotient is 2m plus 7, which is along with the divisor m minus 5. So, remainder will be plus 45. Now, we will do the second question using the linear method. X raised to power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 dividing by x plus 2. Dividend is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and our divisor is x plus 2. Dividing the first term x raised to power 4 by the first term of the divisor x, we get the quotient as x cube. Now we will multiply x cube with the divisor x plus 2. So we get it as x raised to power 4 plus 2x cube. We will subtract 2x cube from the dividend. Therefore, our dividend becomes x cube multiplied by x plus 2 minus 2x cube plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now minus 2x cube and plus 2x cube will be cancelled. We will get the remaining as x cube multiplied by x plus 2 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Dividing the next term 3x square by x, that is the first term of the divisor, we will get the quotient as 3x. Now we will multiply 3x with the divisor x plus 2, we get 3x square plus 6x. Now we will add and subtract this 6x with the dividend. So it will be x cube raised to power x plus 2 plus 3x multiplied by x plus 2 minus 6x, as we have got already 6x extra here. Now the remaining terms of the dividend plus 4x plus 5. So we get x cube multiplied by x plus 2 plus 3x multiplied by x plus 2. Solving minus 6x plus 4x, we get minus 2x plus 5. Now we have got x cube multiplied by x plus 2 plus 3x multiplied by x plus 2 minus 2x plus 5. We will be dividing the next term, that is minus 2x with x. We get minus 2. Now multiplying minus 2 with the divisor, we are getting minus 2x minus 4. Adding plus 4 with the dividend, we get x cube multiplied by x plus 2 plus 3x multiplied by x plus 2 minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. Here taking x plus 2 common, we are getting x plus 2 multiplied by x cube plus 3x minus 2 plus 9 as the last term. So the remainder will be plus 9 and quotient will be x cube plus 3x minus 2. Now we will have a quick recap of what we have learned. We have learned about synthetic method of division, where the divisor is a linear binomial. We have learned linear method of division. Also here the divisor is linear binomial. We have done practice set 3.3 using both the methods. division. Thank you, students.